So me and Ben were just talking about what it's like after university. So we just talking about how it could be a bit scary because obviously you may leave university and think, what do I do now? So you were saying, Ben?
Yeah, so when you finish, you obviously you apply for roles like anybody else would, but then you also have, depending on how your placement year went, some companies will offer you positions. So they'll say, look, we'll give you a conditional offer that if you get your degree and you get a certain grade, then you can join us on a graduate scheme. But also you need to consider that if you don't have that offer, or if you didn't work, necessarily you didn't do a placement in a company that you want to do anything with moving forward, you could always then say, okay, well, do you know what? Let me just apply normally. And a lot of companies have graduate schemes. Some of them don't. Like I worked for a company, an IT company, and they didn't have any graduate schemes. But I just joined there in the lower tier of IT and worked my way up. Because again, some people think, oh, well, I've got a degree. It means I've got a leg up over everybody else. You don't. When you finish your course, yeah, you've got a great foundation, and theoretically, you've got a lot of stuff on paper that looks good, and that might put you slightly further ahead than your average Joe. But you are still starting from the bottom. You are still, there are only certain roles, maybe like law and other little things like that, which will, again, you'll get slightly further. You couldn't just come off the street and do law. But other than that, especially in IT, which is what I studied, you still have to start from the bottom and work your way up, right the way up. So you just have to apply, be patient, and don't just apply for a couple and don't hear anything and get disheartened. You have to keep going. You have to keep applying. And yeah, go from there.
Okay, thank you.